Hey again there guys, the last video I posted on YouTube was a 45-minute full masterclass tutorial on this amazing shot that I took down at Coolywong on the central coast of New South Wales. It was a stitched panoramic and an under and over bracket as well to capture that full dynamic range. And a problem we had in that shot was the masts in the boat didn't line up when we started to blend the under and over exposure. So we went through and we edited all that, and I'll leave a link to that video here and also in the description below. And we went into a lot of detail and effort to really make sure those masks were good, for the pure reason that you don't want your photo to look good online. It must transfer and look really good printed to the largest size that you may offer that image as. And for me, it was a 3 meter by 1 meter canvas. And the other day, a customer ordered exactly that on my website. So I printed it all up, stretched it, and we're gonna have a look at the detail in that canvas printed that large, and it'll really show you why we put that sort of effort in when we come to our image editing. So let's jump into Photoshop and on the computer here, and let's have a look at this shot. So here's the shot of the canvas, the 3 meter by 1 meter on an easel in my gallery. And as you can see, it looks really nice. No photo really does these sort of images justice. If you've printed your own work and taken a shot of it, you'll understand that. So here's a shot of the detail that was in this canvas. So just zoom in a bit, and that's a bit of the canvas texture obviously. And you can see really a great detail, and all the effort we put in the video to fix all these masks really pays off now, because these would really stand out. And the photo that, this photo here is going into a dental clinic. So local dental clinic. So there's gonna be a lot of people coming through looking at this photo, getting out really close and personal to it. So here's a quick video I took on my iPhone. You've got to excuse the color that changes during the video, but give you a good idea of how it turned out. So zooming in there, getting nice and close, you can really see the detail. Shot on the Sony AR7 III, using the Canon 24-70mm lens, using the Metabones adapter in between it. So there's the mask again, looking really good. Nice and close, like that's really zoomed up close. This is a 3 meter by 1 meter print, and look at that detail that's in that boat there. Come out really good. Alright guys, so that is how that photo turned out. Really pleased with the final result there and the detail that was in that shot. A lot of it comes down to good capture technique, good post-production technique. When you watch that 45-minute video, you'll see that there's no real massive revelations in how the image was edited or anything like that. Just a really good, solid post-production workflow to get the final master print there. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so I can put more content like this out for you. Post a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.